welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint some cheap, easy play mats for just 3x3 boards. This is mainly going to be used for things like Wartime, Necromunda, Guards of Traitor's Toll, anything that's kind of city based or industrial based kind of thing. These mats are just 1 foot by 1 foot play mats. You can get them on Amazon. I'll stick where I got them in the link below. Yeah, so let's go on with the video. To start, I'm going to cover each tile with a mix of Mod Podge and neutral grey. I'm using regular craft acrylic paints for this, something that I picked up from Hobbycraft. Once that's dry, I'm going to go over with a watered down burnt umber, again covering the whole mat. Make sure it's nice and watered down so it flows into all the crevices. We're just building up some dirt and grime in between all of the cobblestones. Once the burnt umber's dry, I'm going to do a dry brush of plain neutral grey. I'm not really worried too much if it gets a little bit thick in places or thin in others. This is just really to pick out the cobblestone effect. After that, I'm going to go back over with just a little bit of burnt umber. Again, this is watered down. I'm just going to apply this in splodges, kind of just all over the mat. No real pattern, just where I think, looks cool. Once all that's dry, I'm going to dry brush the whole tile with neutral grey and titanium white, making sure to try and just pick out the raised areas, leaving that brown underneath. After that dry brush, I'm going to go in one last time with a watered down burnt umber. Again, this is just all about building depth. Lastly, I'm going to give the whole tile a spray of matte varnish. Just make sure that you're getting the whole thing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all my patrons. You've been a wonderful help. If you want to support me, you can join my Patreon. I'll put a link down below. Here's the finished results.